Good morning, students. In the virtual class of social science, in previous lecture, I told you about the cleanliness of your home. Let's learn few more about this. I told you that we should not throw garbage here and there on roads and make sure that the big bins, I told you that we should throw garbage in dustbin, and the dustbin that is in your house, it should be empty and a big bin of your locality. So make sure that the big bins are cleaned and the garbage is removed regularly from your locality. Do you know the municipality in cities and panchayat in villages are responsible for the removal of the garbage? Means to remove garbage and cleanliness of city or village, two authorities are responsible. First one municipality in cities, and in villages panchayat. Okay. The garbage is separated, glass, paper and tin are recycled. Means we can other things by recycling these glass, paper, etc. Waste from fruits, vegetable is converted into compost, and that compost we can use in fields in agriculture, for agriculture. Okay. The area in front of your house should be as clean as the area inside your house. I have seen, or you must have seen, some people throw garbage outside on, or on roads. Okay, but this is our responsibility. We should clean outside area also as we clean inside our house. Okay, you should decorate your house with plants and flowers. Do not store old tins, cardboard boxes, broken toys, old books, or newspapers. Sell them to the local scrap dealer for recycling. Scrap dealer means raddiwala. The scrap dealer will come and he will take away all the garbage, means broken toys, old books, etc., that is not in use. It can be recycled. Okay. Do not leave broken pots, tires, etc., around your house or on the terrace. Why? Because they collect water and become breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Yesterday, previous lecture, I told you that mosquitoes can breed if we will not clean house. Okay. So these areas can become breeding grounds for mosquitoes. We should never throw waste material in public places or from car windows. Whenever you are going in car, okay, so you should not throw garbage from your car windows. You can keep it and you can throw it in a dustbin. When you reach till you reach a dustbin, you should keep it in your car. You can have a small dustbin in your car also. Okay. We must act with responsibility and take care of our house, neighborhood, city, village and state. Your Prime Minister, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, also started a campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So it is our responsibility to clean our house, neighborhood, city, village and state and our country. Okay. We should follow 3 R's of garbage disposal. Number 1, reduce. Number 2, reuse. Number 3, recycle. Reduce the waste material. Reuse the things like jars and bottles. Recycle paper, glass, clothes, etc. Few more points we will read again in next e-lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.